it going? You have on your goggles.
I'm doing all different goggle styles today.
Okay. 23rd time of the century. The 23rd time of the century. It's the 23rd
time of the century.
Yay!
What's up?
Hello.
Oh.
Oh, God. This is our dog. You can't see him, but he's pretty incredible. His name's Ozzy. So, we're in great weather, as you know.
Holla, holla!
Ozzy,
Happy holidays,
calm
folks.
down.
As everybody knows, we got Dewey B weather, Spot Fillmore, and Rockin' Rodney. Welcome.
So, guys, how many dirty hippies does it take to screw in a light bulb?
2 hippies use light bulbs.
I don't know, that's a good question. That's not the punchline.
Oh,
like fire.
when they like just burn patchouli oils and stuff like that, and the incense, they just have incense burning the whole time, right? Oh, you guys use solar, that's right. New hippies use solar stuff.
New wave of hippies.
The punchline to that joke, besides the one we just made up, is none. Dirty hippies don't screw in light bulbs. They screw in dirty sleeping bags.
That's funny.
Do you have one?
A dirty sleeping bag?
No, good joke.
Oh, dirty hippie?
Ozzy, go.
Oh.
We're shooting a
A
RainDrop.
horse walks into a bar,
And
the bartender asks the horse,
okay.
by the long face.
Oh, that's something
Wait, this one's good,
Ozzy, go.
What's brown and sticky?
You.
A stick. What you got, Rodney?
A priest, a midget priest, and 2 midget nuns walk into a bar,
Okay.
and a pimp and his hookers come walking out about 5 hours later.
Okay.
That's it.
I think you gotta think about that one.
Oh, man.
So, a serial killer and a little boy are walking through the forest.
No, they're not.
Yeah, that's where they usually take little boys.
Oh, okay.
Trust me.
They like take them camping. They take them camping and make them s'mores.
I should know.
And chocolate milk.
So the little boy says to the serial killer, "Man, it's dark and scary out here." And the serial killer says, "How do you think I feel? I have to walk back alone." That's gross.
Okay.
Anyways, you got another one?
No, I was going to say, okay.
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 This is Rain Brings Weather Boys. We're going to fill you in on a little bit of some up-and-coming shows. We're playing the Apocalypse Party. Apocalypse!
It's on the 1st, so you better get there because the end is soon.
End is soon.
4 horsemen are coming.
For
You
you.
know how the end's coming? It's going to be a large wave of Hershey chocolate covered
Yeah,
with marshmallows. No one will be able to see.
Oh.
Guys won't be able to try. People will be stuck.
And we will live no s'more.
Said you don't snore or s'more our horse.
And we just got from some guy, he called us, his name's Joe, from the Can Club in Garden Grove.
Garden Grove?
Yeah,
It'd be fancy down there.
at the Can
Fancy.
Club. He says it's a nice place, so we'll see what happens. Things like that happen to us. That's probably how we get most of our shows. If you have any good ideas on how we could get different kinds of shows, different venues, different crowds, let us know. We're looking to spread the word.
Spread the word of Rain Brings Weather. Spreading the word, spreading the word, spreading the word, spreading the word of Rain Brings Weather. Like the gospel, spreading the word. We're not saying we're bigger than Jesus, but we might be. But we might be someday.
Sorry, Jesus.
We're just kidding, Jesus.
I'm not with this guy.
Yes, he is.
I am kind of, but whatever.
We're not saying we're better than Jesus. At least
Just Santa Claus.
just
This
Santa
is
Claus.
definitely Santa.
Definitely Santa Claus.
Eat your heart out, Santa Claus.
Yeah. Did you give away 20 presents at the whiskey? No. No.
Well, this Santa Claus did.
Oh, wow.
I'll let your boy.
And we promised you guys, and all of you that went and watched our raindrop and our faithful fans, I'll say it once, and I will
Subscribe.
say it again and again. Subscribe. We love you. Be
Send us
there at
money.
B-Square.
Subscribe.
Send
Show
us
your
money.
Your friends. Don't use the same account. Let's boost this up. I'm getting my Brownsy.
Get my Browns on, baby.
Oh, sex it up, baby.
23rd time of the century. 23rd time of the century.
Do your chores and say your
23rd time
prayers,
of the
bitches.
century. Do what?